My name is Rick Soto. When I first started out, I had problems peeing, and I was wetting my bed, wetting my clothes all the time. I couldn't control it. I didn't have any energy. And now, since the procedure's been done, I can pee. I can hold my urine better. I'm not wetting my pants in my bed anymore. I carry just one spare diaper now instead of 5. That's a big improvement. I'm very happy with that. And since I the testosterone shots, I've gotten younger. I am younger. I'm strong again. I feel good. I feel alive again. And my hair looks better. Everything. I still need my dental work, but I'm alive again. I'm still going good. I can walk in here now with it's incredible. You know, it's incredible.
So when I first saw you, you were in a wheelchair, correct?
Oh yeah, I still have that too, but I use that around the house. But yeah, I couldn't do this before. That was really a workout. Now I can come and go.
Are you able to walk without this, or you always have?
No, that's because
of your feet.
Yeah,
Okay.
That's arthritis has gotten worse.
So what happened to your feet?
Arthritis. This one got run over by a truck years ago, and then the arthritis kicked in and it clubbed the foot. So now the foot is on a
Like
side.
hammer toe, but
Yeah.
what's that bone thing that they said you have?
Well, I have that.
What is it? I forgot the name of
I
it.
have some toe, but I have this toe is curved, the big toe is curved inward, and this one, the whole foot is turned sideways, and without the boots I can't stand up at all. But with these boots I can walk into Walmart holding on to the side of a basket rather than having to hang over it to get in. I use the grocery cart. I can stand up and reach things up. I can do this now, you know.
Yeah.
And that's because I'm stronger. I'm better. I've gotten back my life. I'm feeling good.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Good to see you again. Thank you.
Thank you.